watching her, but she's looking at me.
Easy steps to get that cut crease eyeshadow this festive season. Start off by using concealer or eye primer of your choice. I'm going in with the concealer here and then dabbing it on my lid to prep for the base. Now grab an eyeshadow palette of your choice and a transition shade of your choice. Put it on the crease, blend it nicely. Now this is the step where you cut the crease, for which you need a concealer and a flat thin brush that you can use to draw on your crease. Make sure to look straight while drawing on the crease because that is going to help you with the angle. Follow the same process on the other side and there you go. Next up, pick a shimmer color of your choice, or if you want to keep it muted, then pick a matte tone and dab it on the lid. Finish it off by doing the under eye and there it is, a perfect cut crease.
For more fashion tips, subscribe to channel and press the bell icon. Watch Myntra Studio for exclusive tips and trends with your favorite influencers, celeb looks, originals. Experience the new way of shopping. Myntra Studio, exclusively on the Myntra app.